How to gift Nitro on Discord mobile. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can gift Nitro on Discord mobile. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step is first, open up a Discord. Make sure you're logged in into your account, and after you've done that, you can then log in into your account as well. After you've logged in into your account, you can then head over to your page on the bottom right on your profile, and on the top you'll find settings icon. Tap on the settings icon, and there you should find an billing settings section. It's right here. So here on the billing settings, you'll find Nitro gifting. Tap on Nitro gifting. After you do that, here you will see different packages for Nitro and different versions as well. There is a Nitro Basic and the other is Nitro. So simply select one, and after you select one, whichever Nitro you select, you can then send it to your friend as a gift. So after you pay for Nitro, you can then simply select who you want to send it to and send it. So that's one way of doing it. The other way includes by directly heading over to your friend. So you can head over to a friend. Let me just you know go to a friends here. So let's say that this I'm gonna gift it to this friend right here. So after you're here, tap on this gift icon right besides the text area, and from here you can gift a Nitro. Tap on gift and choose which you want to gift it. Tap on buy the gift, and after you buy it, your gift will be sent to your friend. And that's basically how you can gift Nitro on Discord mobile. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.